Hey everybody, it's Neil. This is going to take a little bit for me to show you, but I'll tell you what it is here. This is going to be poles to hang up lights. So, rainy day outside today, so I'll just kind of unbox and show you what we've got. It's going to be a hook like this, and then either up in one of these corners, I'll probably show it connected up and going. But the way it will be is it'll be like this here at the top to hold all our stuff. And we have another little hook thing here, and it looks big. And lots of poles. Oh, that one's a big Mamba Jumbo to put into the ground. So I guess we're probably gonna have to put this through there to screw it down into the ground. So that'll get nice and tight in the ground. That's good, and that's gonna be good. So then we have that, and then we have the poles that we'll just keep connecting together to get to the top eventually. And that'll just keep going up, and so I'll show you it so that you can set up at whatever height. This would be a very short pole, but you get the idea. So I'll set that up, and you'll see it probably up in one of these corners, but it seems nice and sturdy, so I'm gonna say this is a good one. Pretty good, thumbs up. Everything fell. And you can see here is the pole, and I have some lights hanging from it going to my cabana there. So pretty cool. There's lots of lights around here because I have ones on the fence and stuff. But you see, it's pretty nice little lights on the stand, and it holds up really good. Well, we'll walk over there and probably get eaten up by bugs, but this is super strong. It's not going anywhere, so really good, and it got screwed into the ground down there.